Hello, my name is Emily Owen and I'm a graduate here at Jaguar Land Rover. I'm in the CAE department, so that's the Computer Aided Engineering department, and we are responsible for simulating vehicle crashes, durability, noise vibration harshness. So these are vehicles that will potentially go into production in 3 to 4 years' time. We're testing for the vehicle structure, and predominantly that is to check that it's going to save the occupant that's inside, so the driver or passenger, and also any pedestrian impacts that may occur. So you want to make sure that this car is as safe as possible for whoever's travelling inside. The material that the car is made of is really very important to the stiffness of the car, to make sure that it's going to perform and meet the right test standards and requirements. It's also important to make the vehicle lighter as well, because the weight has a very important factor in vehicle safety and in crash tests. The materials engineering department tests all of the materials beforehand, so it'll test the aluminium to see how strong it is, and then the different properties of the material that we in the CAE department need to know and use, and then they will feed that back into different cards that we will run in the simulation. Aluminium is very important. Well, when I was at school, I really enjoyed maths and physics, which is why I looked into engineering, because engineering, you use both of them together to design and engineer a product that then at the end, like all the vehicles that we produce, you actually get to see and get rewarded for the work that you've done. When I first became aware of aluminium when I went to university, I actually did aerospace engineering at university, and if you look at the structure of aeroplanes, they too can utilise aluminium in the structures for light weighting. We discussed all material properties to understand the different characteristics of those materials, what you can use them for, the applications. We did do some kind of design and research projects, and we would test to see whether aluminium would be suitable for that process. When you're designing an aeroplane, you're looking at, say, 25 years down the line, that aeroplane going into production, whereas in the automotive industry the time to market is, say, 5 years, so you've got to be quicker with what you're doing. It's a much faster paced environment, and that's from the design, the engineering, the production and manufacturing. All those stages all happen within such a short time scale.